Avian Research Station, located in Thiruvidankunu near Mannarkad of Palakkad district, is a research institute under Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University for providing services on research and development in the field of poultry science and management. The coil unit. The unit contains M-type California cage system with 80 cages on either side of the central passage. Coils are small flying birds which weighs around 150 to 200 grams, and because of its small size, it can be reared with very low cost of production. They eat very less, need less space, and reproduce much faster than chicken, and they are easy to handle too. With growing consumer awareness and appreciation for the coil's tender and tasty meat quality, the commercial coil production industry has gradually captured a sizable section of the poultry meat market. The coils can be reared in intensive systems, either on floor or in cages. It is not practically possible to rear them in free-range system, unlike chicken, as these birds are able to fly. They can be kept in the battery brooders for up to 3 weeks of age and then shifted to the community cages or the growing cages. At about 8 weeks of age, they are shifted to the laying cages, which has the dimensions of 25 cm width, 15 cm height and 15 cm depth. In a laying cage, each bird should be provided with a space of 180 cm square. Waterers or nipple drinkers should be provided in the cage. In a layer cage, the floor of the cage must have a slight gradient to enable the coil egg blade to roll out of the cage and to be held by a folded sleeve that extends out of the cage by about 2.5 inches. Coil starts producing eggs by about 8 weeks of age and attain the peak production by about 13 to 15 weeks of age. Mostly the eggs are laid between 3 pm and 8 pm, and the coil eggs weighs around 10 grams, and the eggshell has a mosaic pattern with different shades and shapes on the shell. The size of the egg also increases as the bird gets older. A laying coil requires around 25 to 30 grams of feed per day, and during the maximum production period, the feed conversion ratio will become 3.3. Commercial coil rations are available, which meets the standard requirements of energy, protein, vitamins and minerals. They can be fed with starter or grower rations up to the 6 weeks of age, and from 6 weeks onwards, they can be fed with breeder or the layer ration. By about the 3 weeks of age, an adult male Japanese coil can be identified by the cinnamon-colored feathers, blunt and small feathers on the upper throat and lower breast region, while the female in the same region will have black stippled feathers of light cinnamon color and feathers that pointed in the shape. You will be surprised to know that the males weigh lesser than the females at about the 8th week of age. There are many types of coil like Chinese coil, rain coil and Italian coil, but not all are domesticated. Most of them come under the Wildlife Protection Act, and only the Japanese coil and bob white coil are allowed to be reared under captivity. The coil breeds reared in our unit include the Japanese coil and the breeds developed by the Central Avian Research Institute like Sunhari, Brown, Shweta, Ujjwal and Uttam. The Sunhari breed has white-breasted brown color plumage and tinted color eggs. It has an average weight of 182 grams. It has an annual egg production of 200 eggs and the average weight of an egg is 11 to 12 grams. The brown coil breed has completely brown color plumage and has tinted color eggs. It has an average weight of 180 to 185 grams. It has an annual egg production of 210 eggs and the average weight of an egg is 11 gram. The Shweta breed has white feathers and tinted colored eggs. It has an average weight of 155 to 165 gram. It has an annual egg production of 215 eggs and the average weight of an egg is 10 gram. The Ujjwal breed has white chest, white breasted color and tinted color eggs. It has an average weight of 180 gram and has an annual egg production of 240 eggs with an average weight of 12 gram. The Uttam breed of quail is known as a broiler quail. It has an average weight of 240 gram and has Farowa color feathers and tinted colored eggs. It has an annual egg production of 260 eggs and the average weight of an egg is 14 grams. What makes the quail farming much popular among the farmers is that it does not require specially designed houses and it can even be reared in vacant rooms meant for human habitation. The capital, maintenance and the recurrent costs are very less and the management is very easier. So, the quail farming can be undertaken with less capital investment and little skills and the returns will be realized much earlier than any other farming.